Okay, I'm going already, so this is the border, and now we're going to another border, the one with Belgium. Terrible program here, that one, yeah? That's the left side of our house to follow, then all the Dutch can follow us. I'll join you today from the next border. We'll do that then. No, if we just keep normal distance, it's fine. Can we please actually drive somewhere we're not? We have to go left, don't just go into the street. We've been here like 10 times. He drives 40 through the street, or I drive like a grandma. Oh wow, how awful. He sees the camera too, yeah. He called the police ages ago. You're what you tell the police, and the red metro is following us. There's a white guy with long blonde hair, and a dark guy, and he kinda looks like a child. This isn't going well, and he doesn't notice. We've made a decision, we're just going on. Where that Skoda goes to park, we'll park behind it. No, but he does drive very fast from the cold. Yeah, we don't know how the Skoda's with the guy. Yeah, I know Jesus go. Now I've got a stomachache. What? Are you actually gonna beat him up? Really mad. Very mad. Oh no, 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 we're not doing that. No, I'm really mad and decided, well, you didn't want this at first, but now that we're doing it, I want it too. I don't want it anymore. And now you feel it in your gut. No, because it's a red car. Yeah, I know the dumb stop sign. I don't know where it's going. No, no, we're not doing that anymore. I'm going to block the lane then. Block it. For real. If I were someone, yeah, it was a joke. But it's really, welcome to the adult world. They tell us off. Oh yeah, true that answer. Maybe something to do with police violence, and then it can't be a nuisance. No, look, I think we're almost at the destination. Yeah, yeah, don't you think? See that farmer with a rifle, practically a rifle. Nice, look, 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 what's in there? Could be, but watch out now, it's happening. You're going through that, yeah, turn around. You still like this, but you're such an Englishman. We're driving onto a campsite, yeah, grab it here. Okay, that's enough. This is scary too, what do? You just stand still here? You gotta do something though. Now you've involved it, you know where you live, the roadway, we're off course. Yeah, now we're going to the silly bit of Belgium. You know what I already did. Where are we driving? I don't know, the sat-nav's off, but look how that road looks. What should you do here? Seems like look behind, that looks interesting. Actually, I think, not really. No, 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 don't, let's check. What kind of road is this? Yeah, but this turns red. I'm not going there, except for destination traffic. But when destination traffic prefers you not to, but I'll do it anyway. Oh no, someone with a, yeah, why no through traffic? There is through traffic here. Yeah, yeah, park high. What do you see? I see a phone booth. Wanna check it out? Honestly, yeah, I don't know if it suits you, but there's an AED device inside. What does that mean? It's one of those devices for when you've got an arrhythmia, kind of like that. Feels a bit like that, but it looks like this is the original spot where it once stood, at phone booth. See, how's that thing connected then? I wonder. I always played in those things as a kid. You, yeah, ever played in those? I've stood in one. Why would you like that? It's creepy as hell. Getting a weird vibe. This isn't good here. Okay, Mr. Joy, what's the next destination? Destination is... What's the destination? You should watch a program. Now on Videoland, I don't watch that stuff. I'd rather we go drive. That's all chances gone for Melvin at RTL, Videoland, SBS. But realistically, Joy, looking at us, you and me, how much chance did we ever have on TV? Me alone, 100%. You and me together, 50%. You alone, 0% bias. They'd wanna touch me. Feature? Nice. Well, no, that's just a reverse erection. A watery area. You're a woman now. Yeah, yeah, okay. Well, you're a woman too. A lesbian, that's something. Question? Yeah, I feel like today. I really feel that. Yeah, I had the car on True Dead and done for the day, and then they call it grandma. That's on you. Yo, you get tired quickly. Your daytime activities, Joyce, then you know it goes fast. It's really a shitty day today. You know that I'm behind on being entertained only when you... There are no signs and we will never know where you're driving. There are cows though. Wanna go look at the cows? The cows, yes. Dude, you park yourself in that ditch. You created a safety risk for me. I'm going to sue you, Jesus.